Hello, my dear young learners. How are you? I hope all of you are quite well by the grace of Almighty Creator. I also want that. In the last class, we learned from the textbook Unit-7, Lesson 1. Today, we are going to study from your textbook Unit-7, Lesson 2. So, take your textbook and find out the lesson. Unit-7, Lesson 2. Open at page number 94. Page number 94. Lesson 2, Activity B. The topic is the art of silence. The art of silence. Firstly, I am going to read out the lesson loudly for your better understanding and realization. So, listen carefully and follow your text book. The lesson. Before the beginning of human language, communication took place between humans through signs and gestures. As humans began to use their vocal cords, these silent feature gestures were no longer used as the primary means of communication, but these did not completely disappear. They evolved as a form of art which came to be known as mime. See, next para. In a Bangladeshi village, a little boy came to know about mime as he watched a performance in his village. He was so fascinated by the show that he was determined to master this art. The name of that little boy was Parthopratim Mojumdar. Next para. Mojumdar is undoubtedly a forerunner in the field of mime in Bangladesh. He started as a musician, but his keen sense of rhythm helped him to let his limbs move and express his thoughts through gestures. Next para. Parthopratim Mojumdar is the first Bangladeshi to take up mime as a profession. He performed in a number of television shows in Bangladesh and gained popularity. In his mimes, Mojumdar depicted the day-to-day life of the people, their sadness, tears, as well as their happiness and laughter. Mojumdar's turning point came in 1979 when he was asked to give a solo performance at Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy. The French ambassador to Bangladesh at the time, Mr. Loic Muro, happened to be among the audience. Mr. Muro noticed the talent in Mojumdar. In 1981, the French government offered him a scholarship so that he could get professional training in mime. This was the first time that a student was granted a French scholarship in mime. Mojumdar started his training under the legendary maestro Etienne Ducreux. Through Ducreux, he met another celebrated mime artist named Marcel Marceau. Marceau has transformed modern mime by taking it to an unimaginable height. Next para. Marceau was very impressed by the young Bangladeshi talent and offered him a place in his school for mime, named École International de Mémordrem de Paris Marceau. This mime school is the biggest and the best in the world. Last para. During his 3-year training period, Majumdar practiced 16 to 18 hours daily till each and every bone in his body would feel like breaking. Turn over the page and look the rest of the para. After his time with Marceau, there was no looking back for Majumdar. He staged solo performances in England, Belgium, Germany, Spain, Italy, and the USA. French, Canadian, and American TV channels enthusiastically aired his shows. Next para. In 2009, a French play featuring Majumdar won the Molière Award, which is the highest distinction in the French theatre. Next para. As a pioneer of the art of mime in Bangladesh and for popularizing the artistic genre, Bangladesh government honored the artist with the Ekushe Padak in 2010. Next para. The government of France has also honored him for his contribution to the art of mime throughout the world with one of the highest cultural awards of France titled Chevalier d'Ordre des Arts et des Lettres. Knight in the Order of Arts and Letters in the year 2011. In this lesson, we have got many important new words and phrases. Among them, some of the new words and phrases are written on the board. So, look at the board carefully and take down the meaning of the new words and phrases. Firstly, the new word, maybe it is primitive. Primitive means ancient, or old. Communication means contract. Contact. Sign means mark. Sign means mark. Or symptom. Symptom. Gesture means mime. Or motion. Involve means develop or grow, etc. Both are the same meaning. Mime means gesture. Fascinated means charmed. charmed or captivated. Captivated, charmed or captivated. Undoubtedly means certainly. Certainly or definitely. Forerunner means pioneer. Pioneer. Pioneer or frontman or front runner. Legendary means heroic. Or celebrated. Heroic or celebrated. Maestro means master. Unimaginable means unthinkable. Adjective. Unthinkable. Unimaginable means unthinkable. Enthusiastically means eagerly. Or very curiously. Gained means acquired. UIRED. Acquired or earned. Solo means lonely or alone. Take place, it's a phrase, means to happen or occur. Happen or occur, both are correct. Look for means search or in search of. So we can repeat it. Primitive means ancient or old. Communication means contact. Sign means mark or symptom. Gesture means motion or mime. Evolve means grow or develop or improve. Mime means gesture. Fascinated means charmed or captivated. Undoubtedly means definitely or certainly. Forerunner means pioneer. Legendary means heroic or celebrated. Maestro, it's a French language. Its meaning is master. Unimaginable means unthinkable. Enthusiastically means eagerly. Gained means acquired or earned or obtained. Solo means alone or lonely or solitary. Take place means happen or occur. Look for, it's a phrase, means search or in search of. All these new words and phrases taken from the lesson. Now, from this Now from this lesson, we can find out some short questions. Some short questions are: A. What is mime? Next, B. Why did the French government government offer him scholarship? Offer him scholarship. Next number A. When did mime teach? When did mime teach Mojumdar's heart? Touch. Touch Mojumdar's heart. Next, number D. Why did Partho go? Why did Partho go to France? Go to France. Last number A. What did he depict in his performance? All these questions are set up from the lesson. So you carefully read this lesson and you will take down the answers in your notebook. These are all from today. So now I am ending this lesson. Keep yourself safe and healthy. Thank you very much.